Hi and welcome to Anita's Kitchen today. So I fancied having like a very nice hot drink and an Indian drink. So I'm going to make an almond and saffron milk. This is used in all Indian celebrations and it's very rich in texture. It's got almonds, so I'm going to be using almonds from Zena and saffron from Zena as well. It's full of goodness. You have a lot of sugar, you have a lot of nuts, you have milk, but I've kind of replaced all that. So instead of full fat milk, I'm going to be using oats milk. So you need about a cup full of oats milk and you need to warm that up. Warm that up. And you need agave nectar instead of sugar, so you need about a spoonful. And the saffron, you need to soak them for about a few minutes in hot water. So it'll give a nice rich yellowy color that just reminds you of the sun. You just need to let this boil and heat up. Just warm it up, don't boil it too much. Whilst that's going through, you need about a quarter spoon of cardamom and nutmeg and about 5 or 6 almonds. Leave the rest for garnishing. So I'm just going to warm this up and I can already smell the cardamom coming through and the nectar as well. And this usually takes about 5 minutes to make. It's a nice cozy winter's drink. There you go. All ready to plate up. And the strands of the saffron just makes this drink so wonderful. I'm just going to garnish that with a bit more almonds. You could put pistachios as well. And there you go guys, my almond and saffron milk. Nice and easy for a nice winter's night. Do enjoy and give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.